Ever wish your home felt smarter, safer, or just more convenient without doing a full-blown renovation? You're about to discover 26 insanely clever home improvement gadgets on Amazon that can totally transform your space. These aren't just cool tools, they're practical upgrades that make everyday life smoother, safer, and more efficient. From sleek outlet concealers to powerful mini ceiling fans, each one is designed to solve a common problem or enhance your comfort in a surprising way. And the best part? Most of these gadgets are affordable, easy to install, and require zero tools or professional help. Whether you're a tech lover, a DIY beginner, or just someone who wants a more functional home, this list has something that'll make you say, "Why didn't I buy this sooner?" Let's dive into 26 Amazon finds that'll instantly level up your living space. 1. DEWENWILS USB Rechargeable Book Reading Light. If you love reading in bed without disturbing anyone around, this DEWENWILS book light is a total must-have. Its 3000 Kelvin warm white light creates a cozy glow that's easy on the eyes, especially at night. With adjustable brightness, you can fine-tune the intensity for any reading environment. The unique clip-on design doubles as a bookmark, making it ultra-convenient and space-saving. It's perfect for bookworms, kids, and anyone who reads past bedtime. USB rechargeable means no more battery runs, just plug it in and you're good to go. Whether you're at home or traveling, this light keeps your stories going long into the night. 2. Elago W2 Charger, stand for Apple Watch. The Elago W2 charger stand transforms your Apple Watch charging routine into a sleek, hands-free setup. Made from scratch-resistant silicone, it holds your watch in place without damaging it. Compatible with every Apple Watch model, it fits seamlessly into your life and your decor. Its nightstand mode feature turns your watch into a mini bedside clock. Say goodbye to messy cords and hello to simple organization. Compact yet durable, it's perfect for desks, nightstands, or travel bags. 3. Sleek Socket Ultra-Thin Outlet Concealer. Say goodbye to messy, bulky plugs sticking out of your wall with the sleek socket. This ultra-thin outlet concealer sits flush against the wall, instantly upgrading the look of any room. It's perfect for tight spaces behind furniture where traditional plugs just won't fit. The included cord concealer kit hides unsightly wires, keeping your space neat and safe. It blends into your walls so seamlessly, guests won't even notice it's there. With multiple outlets, you can plug in several devices at once without clutter. 4. GEXWFE Refrigerator, Water Filter. If clean drinking water matters to you, the GEXWFE water filter is a smart upgrade for your fridge. It reduces over 50 impurities, including lead and sulfur, giving your family safer water every day. Installation is quick, requiring no tools or hassle. 5. TitanFlex Disposable Nitrile Gloves. Heavy-duty protection meets comfort with TitanFlex's 6mm black nitrile gloves. They're latex and powder-free, making them safe for all skin types. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or fixing something around the house, these gloves won't tear under pressure. Their snug fit gives you full control and grip, even in messy situations. The bold black color adds a professional look to your DIY tasks. Great for single use, they offer solid protection without compromising dexterity. Keep a box handy in your kitchen, garage, or toolbox. 6. Kidde Multi-Purpose Fire Extinguisher. Every home should have a Kidde fire extinguisher, and this one's designed for versatility and peace of mind. It tackles common fires like electrical, paper, or grease, making it essential for the kitchen, garage, or dorm. Compact but powerful, it's easy to store and grab in emergencies. The pressure gauge lets you know it's ready to go at a glance. Simple instructions on the label make it user-friendly even in high-stress situations. UL-rated and trusted by millions, it's a must for your safety checklist. Protect what matters most with a tool built to act fast. 7. Glocusent Neckbook. Light, reading, knitting, or repairing. Whatever you're doing, the Glocusent neck light keeps your hands free and your work illuminated. With 3 color temperatures and 6 brightness levels, you get just the right lighting for your activity. The bendable arms let you aim the light exactly where you need it. It's ultra lightweight and comfortable, even during long sessions. Rechargeable and long-lasting, it can run for up to 80 hours on a single charge. Perfect for bedtime reading without disturbing others. It's your new favorite tool for focused, flexible lighting. 8. Hat washer cage, 2-pack. No more ruining your favorite caps in the wash. This hat washer cage has your back. Designed to protect both flat and curved brim caps, it keeps their shape during machine or dishwasher cleaning. Just snap your hat in and toss it in with your laundry or dishwasher load. It's perfect for baseball hats, gym caps, or any headwear that needs freshening up. The durable plastic frame withstands high temps without warping. 9. HBTower folding step ladder. Need a safe boost around the house? The HBTower step ladder is built with wide anti-slip pedals and a sturdy handrail for extra balance. It folds up easily for storage, yet opens with a stable, reliable frame that holds up to 500 pounds. Whether you're painting, changing light bulbs, or reaching high shelves, this ladder makes the job easier. The steel build ensures durability while staying lightweight and portable. Rubber feet keep it steady on any surface, from carpet to tile. It's a home improvement essential for safety and convenience. 10. Magnetic garage screen door, 16 by 7 feet. Turn your garage into a breezy workspace with this magnetic screen door. The heavy-duty fiberglass mesh keeps bugs out while letting air flow through. It's designed for 2-car garages and attaches easily with hook and loop fasteners. Built-in magnets allow hands-free entry and self-closing even when your hands are full. With 6 roll-up straps, you can keep it open when needed. Perfect for DIY projects, workouts, or just enjoying fresh air in your garage. It's a smart upgrade for anyone who uses their garage as more than just storage. 11th MyQ Smart Garage Door Video. Keypad. Take total control of your garage with the MyQ Smart Video Keypad. It features a built-in camera, customizable PIN codes, and smartphone access for secure entry. See who's coming and going in real time with a wide-angle view. It works with major openers like Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman. Easy to install and weather-resistant, it's ideal for both security and convenience. Whether you're letting kids in after school or checking deliveries, this smart gadget gives you peace of mind. Smart access has never been this seamless. 12-foot 4-inch insulated dryer vent hose, 16-foot upgrade your dryer setup with this 4-inch insulated flexible duct. It stretches up to 16 feet and comes with 2 secure clamps for a snug fit. The triple-layer construction resists heat, moisture, and punctures, making it perfect for HVAC systems. Whether you're venting a dryer or fan, it holds strong under pressure. Easy to cut and install. 13th fowong AC window seal weather stripping. Keep the cool in and the bugs out with this high-resilience foam window seal from fowong. Designed for air conditioners, it seals gaps around windows to improve energy efficiency. The adhesive back sticks securely without damaging your frames. It's 1 inch thick and compresses easily to fit tight spaces. 14. Taranta. 2-step lightweight folding ladder. Compact yet capable, the Taranta 2-step ladder is the perfect household companion. It's made from lightweight aluminum, making it easy to carry around your home or office. With wide anti-slip pedals, you get extra stability whether you're dusting shelves or hanging decor. The black wood grain finish adds a touch of style not often seen in utility tools. It folds flat for convenient storage in closets or narrow spaces. With a 330-pound weight capacity, it's strong enough for daily tasks without feeling bulky. Simple, safe, and stylish. This ladder just gets it right. 15. Broom holder, wall mount organizer, cluttered garage or kitchen. Not anymore with this sleek wall-mounted broom and mop holder. It features 4 racks and 5 hooks to neatly hang tools, cleaning gear, or even gardening supplies. The silver finish adds a modern touch while keeping everything within reach. It installs easily and grips handles tightly with its anti-slip slots. This organizer turns chaos into calm in minutes. A clean space starts with smart storage. 16. Bucket Boss The Bucketeer. Tool Organizer. Turn any standard 5-gallon bucket into a fully loaded tool station with the Bucket Boss Bucketeer. Its rugged canvas design includes dozens of pockets for wrenches, screwdrivers, tape, and more. It slips over your bucket like a glove, no tools needed. With external and internal storage, you keep everything organized and in reach. It's perfect for DIYers, electricians, or even gardeners. Tough enough for job sites, yet compact enough for home projects. Your tools deserve better than a junk drawer. 17th. KIMILAR Anti-Theft Video Doorbell Mount. Protect your video doorbell from theft with the KIMILAR Anti-Theft Mount. Designed for ring and blink wireless models, it wraps around your doorframe for added security. The adjustable bracket ensures it fits most standard home setups without drilling. Great for renters or apartment dwellers who want peace of mind. Installation takes minutes but offers long-lasting protection. Plus, it doesn't block your doorbell's camera or button access. Keep your home safe without sacrificing function. 18. USB water pump for 5-gallon bottles. Make accessing drinking water effortless with this automatic USB water dispenser. It fits standard 5-gallon bottles and dispenses water at the press of a button. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts through multiple refills before needing a charge. It's perfect for home, office, or outdoor use, anywhere you need hydration on demand. 19. Purrfectzone Bidet Sprayer for Toilet. Get a cleaner, more refreshing bathroom experience with the Purrfectzone Bidet Sprayer. Made from stainless steel, it's durable and rust-resistant for long-term use. Installation is easy. No plumber needed. Use it for personal hygiene, cloth diaper rinsing, or even pet cleanup. The ergonomic handle gives you full control of water pressure. It's a cost-effective upgrade that saves on toilet paper and improves hygiene. Once you try it, you won't want to go back. 20. Silicone Hair Drain Catcher. 2-pack stop clogs before they start with these silicone hair stoppers for your shower or sink. The square design covers most drain sizes and stays in place with built-in suction cups. Easy to install and remove, they trap hair without blocking water flow. The silver-gray color blends in with most bathroom finishes. They're flexible, easy to clean, and totally reusable. Each pack includes 2, so you can use them in multiple bathrooms. Keep your drains clear and stress-free. 21. Shower Head Holder. No drilling, adhesive mount. This adhesive shower head holder offers the ultimate in flexible convenience. No drilling required. It sticks firmly to tile, glass, or metal, making it ideal for renters or quick upgrades. The adjustable bracket fits most handheld shower heads. 22. Low-profile ceiling fan with lights and remote. This 20-inch flush-mount ceiling fan combines lighting and airflow in a sleek, space-saving design. Perfect for bedrooms or living rooms with low ceilings, it offers 6 speeds and 3 color temperatures from 3000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. The included remote gives you full control over brightness, color, and airflow. It's whisper quiet, making it ideal for sleeping areas. The minimalist white design blends with any modern interior. Dimmable LED lighting means energy savings with style. It's the upgrade your ceiling never knew it needed. 23rd. SentrySafe Fireproof and Waterproof Safe. Protect your most important documents with the SentrySafe HD4100. It's both fireproof and waterproof, keeping valuables secure during unexpected disasters. Sized to hold file folders and legal documents, it's perfect for home or office use. The built-in key lock adds another layer of safety for your peace of mind. With a black, durable exterior, it's discreet and blends in with any storage area. Whether it's birth certificates, passports, or digital media, this safe ensures they stay protected. Preparedness starts with protection. 24th Art 3D fluted black slat wall panels. Give your walls a bold, textured makeover with these Art 3D fluted panels. The 12-pack covers a significant space and installs easily with adhesive or nails. Their 3D finish creates depth, making any room feel more modern and upscale, ideal for accent walls in living rooms, offices, or studios. The matte black color offers a sleek, dramatic look. Durable and lightweight, they're also easy to clean. It's a stylish solution for tired, flat walls. 25. Munchkin High-Capacity Dishwasher Basket Cleaning. Small baby items just got easier with this high-capacity dishwasher basket from Munchkin. It's designed to hold bottle parts, pacifiers, nipples, and even sippy cup tops in place. The secure lid keeps everything contained during cycles, preventing melted messes. It fits in the top rack of most standard dishwashers, easy to load, easy to clean, and a total time saver for busy parents. The gray design looks sleek and modern, not like your average baby product. Clean smarter, not harder. 26. Silent Touch Rechargeable Book Reading. Light, soft amber lighting, silent touch control, and a sleek pink finish. This book light is a dream for night readers. With 3 color modes and 7 LEDs, it's gentle on the eyes and customizable to your liking. The clip-on design attaches securely to your book without damaging pages. It's fully rechargeable and compact enough to slip into any backpack or nightstand drawer. Perfect for kids and adults alike who enjoy a peaceful reading session before bed. The silent touch button ensures you won't disturb anyone else in the room. Comfort, style, and function, all in one little lamp.